Enough of that phone. Alright, as you can see, we have the case open, but it was a little tricky how to open it. Can you show us exactly what you did? Like, what did you use?
To open it, you need to get a coin, and between where you open it up, you need to put the coin in and go around the edge and get it open.
Okay, so let's go ahead and put it together. You have to take out that blue sticker. That's probably the most satisfying thing.
Yep. And then you
make sure you clean the case and you remove the glass on your case, right? That's a must when you remove the glass in the case. And then we're going to go ahead and put it together.
put it in like that. And make sure it's in all the edges. And then you get the other part of the case and you put it on. You seal the edges and make sure you press down firmly so it does not open in any sort of water places.
Will penetrate. So you have to hear that snapping everywhere pretty much.
Yes, and then once you're done with that, you could remove this part and the rest of the seals.
Stickers. Can you see if you could still turn on your phone? Can you still turn on the phone? Can you mess around with it? Like move your... Okay, so she could still move around on the phone. All right.
Yep.
Okay, that's good to know. So we threw it in there. All right, let's fish it out. There you go, you got it. There you go. Now let's see if it works. Look at that. Waterproof. We threw it in the pool and you can still make calls underwater. That's crazy. So let me see if I can unlock it. All right, we're gonna record underwater. So if you guys ever go to vacation, check this out, guys. I'm gonna record underwater. Super cool. Look at that. Simple. Record myself 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then we're going to play it back from there to see if the microphone works well. 1 2 3 and then we're going to play it back from there to see if the microphone works well. We're going to play it back from there to see if the microphone works well. Okay. Very well.